For this video, I'll be teaching you on how to fix the error message. Recovery, there was a problem with a device connected to your PC. This error code has always to do with the boot process for Windows. An I/O error, or input-output error, occurs when the system is unable to access a drive or disk, which means it cannot read or copy data. Now to fix this, try the steps. First, reboot your computer. If you can't log into your computer, perform a hard reset by holding down the power button until the computer shuts off, then turn it back on. If the problem persists, then disconnect all external devices, like external hard drives, flash drives, and other USB devices, then restart the computer. Now, after rebooting and the Windows loads successfully, scan Windows for errors, open the command prompt, and then run it as administrator. Type this command code, which then it will check the hard drives and system files respectively for problems. Also, if you're able to boot into Windows, check to see if all device drivers are up to date, then update it now, particularly those related to I/O ports and storage. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.